What's going on, guys? So here we had a nice win on eval today. Well, we had one win and then a break even. I took this on two evals. I took this with Apex and MFFU. So the Apex one, we ended up walking away with 1400, and then on the MFFU eval, we ended up getting stopped out break even because I only took one con. I wanted to see this actually run lower. That was my main idea, to see it run lower to those sell side draws. Profit and executions and all that stuff are in the Discord, so go check that out. I'll leave a comment for the link to the Discord. But basically, coming into the day, I wanted to see a rotation back down at some point. We were in a super overextended push to the upside, and off of market open we ended up taking out London high, and we had all those sell side draws lower. We had London low, we had Asia low resting in a 4-hour gap, we had hourly lows over there. So like, I just wanted to see a move lower, so I marked out a manipulation leg. Again, full recaps on YouTube right now where I go a little bit more in depth, but we had a manipulation leg from over here marked out, and we ended up tapping into that negative 3.5. And usually I don't trade standard deviation strictly, but again, this was eval. I didn't want to trade heavy because tomorrow's a bank holiday, so I just decided to kind of experiment with this. We also tapped into 1 hour CE of this 1 hour bearish for value gap over there, and I was just waiting for like a lower time frame confirmation in order to give me an entry. So we ended up like rejecting pretty hard on the 30-second, so I ended up getting an entry around 25,634, and I gave myself about a 15-point stop right above the wick, right there. And I wanted to see this run. The whole idea was to see it run lower down and just see if we could have literally top ticked the entire move. So on MFFU, I moved my stops to break even and got taken out break even. But with the other eval, again, I ended up taking profit after we started to reject out of this 5-minute bullish FEG, and it would have stopped this out. So it was a pretty good call taking profit on that one. So made a little bit of progress on eval. Unfortunately, missed the other long. We chopped for so long, and I just didn't want to take an entry on that. But obviously, that would have been an insane short. So it sucks that we didn't get it. But again, I'm going to recap the whole day tonight on the Discord. So if you guys want to join, again, pull up.